Hey guys, we're having a Nerf war. We are gonna get ready right now to get our guns ready and everything. Okay, I'm gonna get my gun ready. I'm gonna get some stuff. Bryce, you have a good amount of bullets. Can you shoot me a bullet? Cause you have a lot of bullets. I put a lot of bullets in that gun, dude. I need a bullet. Thank you. I'm going to attach this onto the gun so it's easier for me to run around, so I don't have to hold the gun in my hand while I'm running around with the iPad. Alright, let's go. Okay, we're facing 3 opponents, Jack, Hayden, and Juan. Kind of hard to...
It's a Chinese word for John.
It is? Well, it kind of sounds like John, or just like an accent thingy. Just Juan, I guess. I don't know. I can't say anything else about his name. I don't really know his name much. Okay. Oh, I don't know how to pronounce it really. So it's just Juan, dude. Okay. So Jack is in the green shirt. Juan's in the kind of gray shirt, I think. And I don't really remember what my brother is. Jack and Hayden, my brother. Hayden's my brother. They have 4x4 rough cuts, and Juan, he has, what does he have again? Oh, he has the hammer shot, yeah. Hammer shot. So let's go. We're on our bikes. We're going to approach the target. I think they do at the local park area. So we're going to, we've already taken this. I did a flip and I hurt myself and I was on the ground and I got shot. So moving into position. Oh, there's some guy with some golf cart up there. Oh, there they are! Enemy spotted! Enemy spotted! Getting off the bikes. There's. Let's go to the park, dude. Parkour. I'm on an elevated position now. I'm like a little tunnel, top of a tunnel. I gotta get in a tunnel. There's little holes in the tunnel for it. Holy crap, there's one of them right there. I'm showing you through the hole. Bryce! Coming! Let's go. Hayden's right there. He's moving around. Oh, he's right under us. I'm sticking my muzzle out. Ah! Crap! I'm not dead.
This side. Head to the bushes. Alright, try to blockade the bullet. Stop, you're dead!
No! Hayden, when you got shot in the legs, I let you still go because it was an injury.
I shot you in the back.
No, you shot me in the arm.
No, I didn't.
Then why did you just a little... Oh, crap! It's 2v1. There's no revivation. Hey, guys.
You won! I shot Bryce!
Does it mean you won?
I was pushing down a hammer. Hey, don't touch your hammer!
one. You get one in the chamber. Hey, stop messing with my video. You get one in the chamber.
Go.
Bryson,
Go.
I need you to film this, Bryce. Bryce, film it. Bryce, you're gonna film us. We go back to back. Take 3 steps and turn around and shoot. You get 1 bullet for this. You have 1 bullet, okay? One in the chamber, dude. Ron, you uncock your gun. Shoot it into your hand. I'll be there in a second. Juan, come here with my gun now. Come here. Stop! If you shoot 1 more shot. Give me the gun now. You're not allowed to use my Nerf gun today. I told you 1 more shot. Juan, drop your Nerf gun. Or actually, you can.
Come on, Bob. Let's go build. Mom, let's go build. I want to show you what I done all week.
Me and Juan are having a
I want to kiss you. Wait.
Yeah.
Stop. Just give him the bullet. Go. What's the problem with me staying out?
Goodbye. Okay, goodbye, guys. In the